And we're back to learn Photoshop in the year day 173. Let me show the trace contour filter. Press Ctrl J here to copy it. And it's a very easy effect. You can see directly applied, but you can also left click on the canvas to reposition the preview window. Levels is for the intensity. You don't want to go to the max 255 or too low. Both cases it's going to vanish. And then we have an edge. Usually the lower just widens them a little bit. For example, let's go to this position. You can see that the upper has thinner lines and the lower has them a little bit expanded. You can use this for many effects. For example, you can add that as a sharpening. If you change the blending mode to multiply and then blend it with the original, adjust the opacity a little bit because it's a little bit too strong at 100%. And this is how you can use the trace contour filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.